minus 18 degrees Celsius here in Yellowknife. That is 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Behind me, BAE should be doing very well for us, and she's got a sister coming in right now. We're just looking for her. It's coming in, our brand new-ish 737 coming in. Stella is out here getting everything ready. That's not a UFO, folks. There she is. And we're just gonna be welcoming this airplane very soon. I can't wait to show you guys. Hey, Stella, what's that over there? What's that coming in? What is TVO?
TVO is our new 737-200.
Why did we buy a 737-200?
Because it can do the job right.
Why? What's different about it?
Gravel kit, vortex dissipators, gravel ski, all the good stuff. And she's pretty.
Hello, hello.
What's this, Jordan?
Our new plane, addition to the fleet.
And that's the big reason right there, folks. Right there, that thing right there. Oh, look at this. Look at that feature, eh, folks? Oh, Dale, how is it? Thanks for bringing her here.
Finally here.
Oh, holy smokes. Howdy, howdy.
Hello, Mikey.
Hey, guys, what's happening?
Hey, Mikey. How are you doing?
Hey, shake hands.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Alain.
Owen
Nice
and Vincent.
Last flight.
Very last flight.
Air Transat after this.
Moving on. I'm removing this for a side stick. Yeah.
Last one.
Congrats on your new plane.
Thank you. You see my side?
Yeah, we liked it.
Oh,
we liked
yeah.
it.
It's very
Did you
cool.
see my landing? A nice visual, you know. Great Slave Lake.
So, Vincent, last flight.
Yeah. I'm a bit sad. I took off, put the autopilot on at like 22,000 feet, and I had j'avais une petite larme, like we say in French.
Thank
Are
you.
you gonna fly it?
Oh, absolutely.
Hey, congrats, man. You'll like it. Yeah. Much more fun than the 300. Landing on gravel, I did the 700 hours on it. Great plane, man. Great plane. I love it. I freaking love it.
Right on.
I'm really lucky to have flown it. I don't like it, man. It's fun.
Cool.
It's fun.
Door. So you can see, folks, it's TVO still got, it's a combi, still has a lot of the passenger interior. We're going to be looking at, converting it to a full freighter. So we got the 200, the 300, and look at DC-3 sitting there looking out the window at us, side eye. What's that?
Were you live?
Yeah, I'm live right now. No, I'm not
I
live.
did that. Okay, just cut off what I said. Just cut that off,
Isn't she pretty? That is C-GTVO, Buffalo Airways' second 737 and our very first 737-200 combi, freighter, gravel equipped, LPV, true north. She is fully loaded. Here we are the next morning in the hangar. We shut her down about 11 last night. I want to take this opportunity to show you guys some interesting things about this airplane and why it's very unique and perfect for what we need. Okay, let's start with the engine. Now, this engine has something very rare on it. This might be the only one in the world. I don't know if you've seen it yet. This is a Pratt & Whitney JT8-17. And this hush kit here, this Norden, I don't know if I'm saying it, probably Norden hush kit. This one might be the only one left in the world with this kit on it. Let me know if you guys know if there's another one. Almost looks like a second jet engine back here. What do you think, Stella? What do you think? So, how's it all looking?
She's here. She's looking good. Good as always.
But this engine is what helps keep this airplane flying up, into the modern times here. There's the vortex dissipator. That's a pneumatic system that keeps blows the air and keeps the gravel from not going into the engine. It is one of the biggest features that makes this thing so cool, but the number one reason, the reason why this airplane is flying and not cut up like a lot of airplanes of this era is the gravel kit. That ski right there, and they modified, the whole front there, the nose gear doors, everything. This is the reason why this airplane is still flying, can be making money, and honestly can outperform a lot of other airplanes. There she is, folks, the famous gravel ski. You don't see very many of those skis anywhere outside of Canada these days. So she's got a brand new engine on the number 1 side here, on the left side, and the boys are just going through it. It's got a brand new Norden Hush kit on the back, and actually even some brand new thrust reversers, the TRs. Look at that, brand spanking new. There she is, shiny. So there it is, folks. This is TVO. Look, there's LFR getting ready. So here is the cargo door. As you can see, this airplane, I'm pretty sure, came from factory as a 737-200C, which means this cargo door is a Boeing cargo door. And you see it was operated by Chrono Aviation, my friends in Saint Hubert. The Planesavers crew might remember these airplanes from the background. It's quite wild that, here we are 5-6 years later, and we have one in the hangar. This is absolutely amazing. So just a quick look at the cockpit. It's got the steam gauges. We're definitely not scared of steam gauges here at Buffalo, because there's the king of the steam gauges right there. This thing is a workhorse. It's going to complement the Electra. It's going to complement the 300. It's going to complement everything. We can't wait. We're going to be operating this day 1 revenue. So this airplane is available for charter right now. So give us a call if you need a 737-200, and we're happy to get it. If you guys have any parts, if anybody out there has any 737-200 or 300 parts, please hit me up. I also want to take a quick second to thank the folks at Chrono Aviation. Vincent Gagnon, president, I worked with him directly to make this deal happen. Super grateful. The staff, the pilots, mechanics, everybody at Chrono Aviation has been amazing to deal with. Thanks, everybody, and we'll be continuously working together as we get TVO on our license. But again, it's available right now for charter, so give us a call.